Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our next question. The following table gives production yield per hectare of wheat of 100 farms of a village. So production yield, so quintals per hectare. They are given in the format of quintal per hectare. Number of farmers, so 50 to 55 quintal per hectare. Number of farmers, how many are there? 2 farmers they are given. So they can get the production yield like that. Change the distribution to more than type distribution and draw it greater than cumulative frequencies. So what you can say here is we need to select lower limits. As I told, lower limits of the class intervals we have to select for the odds equals, and we need to find the greater than cumulative frequency of the following data. So we are written all this one in the one tabular format. So let's going to calculate what is this. So production yield, what is that? Quintal per, so quintal per hectare. So this is that they are given. So let's going to find out what is this 50 to 55 and lower limits all we are written, that is x1. Then frequency they are given in the format 2, 8, 12 like that. So greater than cumulative frequencies always we will write from down. So less than cumulative frequency we are going to add it from the top, but greater than cumulative frequency we are going to add from the down. So let's write this is 16, then 16 plus 38. So we are taken in this direction. So 16 plus 38 is nothing but 54. Then 54 plus 24, what you can get it here as 78. So 78, we are going to add 78 to the 12. What answer we are getting? So 90 we will get. So 90 to the 8, that is 98. 98 plus 2, we will get it as 100. So these are the greater than cumulative frequency of the points. Let's move on to this. So let's going to write the x and y. So what is x here? 50, then 50 comma 100. That is 1 point. Then 55 comma 98. So from these two values we are writing. Then 60 comma 90. Then what is that? 65 comma 78. Then 70 comma 54. Then finally 75 comma 60. So these are the points which we need to draw the graph. So let's going to construct the greater than cumulative Aussie curve for this. So this is the, we are already constructed this one. So x and x dash and y dash with the starting with the 45 things and 45 50 scale we are taking on x axis 5 quintal per hectare and y axis number of farmers, that is greater than cumulative frequencies 10 farmers. So let's move on to this and going to join these points. Let's going to locate what this one. So for the first point is 50 comma 100. So from this second one, so this is the 50. So from this 50, let's going to locate this as 50 comma 100. So this is the 50 comma 100, that is the greater than cumulative frequency. The next one 55. So from 55 to 98. 98 means so from 1 mm is 1 mm only. So from 55 98. So where is that 98? So here after 98 mm. So this is 8 mm. This is 55 comma 98 point. Next point is what is that? The lower limits we are drawn down. So don't get confused. Here we are not taking upper limits, lower limits of the consecutive classes. So then 55 after 60, then 60 comma 90. So where is that 60 comma 90? This is the point 60 comma 90. Then again 65 comma 78. So 65 here. So 78 is where is that? So down we can see. So here this is 60, from 60 to 90 we are drawn. Then 65 to what is that? 65 to 78. So 65 is here. Then 65 to 78. So from 70 after that to 8 mm. So this is the point of 65 comma 78. Then 70 comma 54. Where is 70? So this is 70 line. Then 54. So where is that 54? After 50 we can get it 4 mm. So 1, 2, 3, 4 mm. So this is 50 comma, what you can say 50 comma, sorry, it is 70 comma 54. The next one 75 comma 16. So 75 comma 16. Where is that? After 10, 6 mm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is this point? 75 comma 60. 75, 16. Let's going to join with the one line. These are all the points. Let's going to join this one with the curve. So what is that? This is the Aussie curve. So if you can check it, 75 is the last one. So from there it is. Let's going to draw with scale. Try to use the scale for this. So this is this one. From these points we are joining. Try to join with this scale. So try to join with the scale, not with hand. So what are the points? So this is the points which we need to locate it. So these are the points. We got it as Aussie curve. So what type of curve it is? It is greater than cumulative frequencies. So what type of curve it is? This one is greater than cumulative frequency Aussie curve. So this is the points. So let's move on to this and find it what is the Aussie curves. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.